All right, here we are, Sutton Park, and got a little break in the rain. It woke up this morning, 100% chance of rain, thunderstorms. My electricity's been out all day, and it's got that annoying, it's like beep, beep, alarm somewhere, and I can't figure out where, and I've taken all the batteries out, and we're gonna have to figure that one out, because that one's pretty annoying. But anyway, I'm here at Sutton Park, and gonna try to knock out my 3 miles in this break in the rain here in about an hour. It's gonna start pouring again, so hopefully I don't get rained on, but if I do, it's nice, cool, 70 degrees, and it'll just cool me off. But feels real nice right now. It's kind of reminds me of the springtime. 71 degrees ish right now, and gonna knock out this run, so I better get to it. We'll see you guys after the run. All right, here we are, Sutton Park, and I cut the run a tad bit short today due to some leg pain. It's flaring up again, so same story. I guess Monday I need to go to the doctor. But other than that, I was able to get a run in, kind of a break in the rain here, and here in about half an hour or 45 minutes, a big, gigantic, one of those thunderstorms with the red and all the green around it is supposed to come through again like this morning. So hopefully I get my electricity to stay on today for the rest of the day, and hopefully it doesn't flood everything out too much. We got a bunch of flood warnings and things like that, but pretty proud that I was able to get out here, break in the rain, and knock out my run. So good luck on your day, whatever's out there, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a good day.